Next, it is given one homework to you people. Name of the department, examples of their work. First, it is school education. First department, it is school education. Then, what work they will give, and they are making the textbook, preparing the textbook, or they are preparing the syllabus, like that work they are doing. So you want to find out the other two works we said already, and other work you want to find out by yourself. Minimum 5 work, each and every departments 5 work you want to write. How many works? 5 works you want to write here in the box. Then the public works department, the that is first one, it is the sanitation work, means cleaning of the garbage, we can say like that. Cleaning of garbage, cleaning work is doing by the public work department. And we can see the drinking water supply, water department is there. With that we can see some of the work doing by the public work department. Then third, that is agriculture, and what they will do, agriculture department, what they will do, they will give the awareness class to the people, awareness class to the people. Then they will provide the what we can say, new awareness class they are giving. And they are giving some technical skill, technical support to the people to use some of the new machineries like tractors and the harvesting machines, like that different works they are doing. And at the same time they are conducting survey and study about a particular area, on the development of some particular seeds and other things, that is doing by the agriculture department. So you can complete it here in the textbook itself. Don't write in notebook, and you can send to me. The next topic, it is wall project. A wall project means, wall means what we know, that is the wall of our house or school, like that. And wallpaper project, we are making the like a notice board, we are making the project. And that topic we will discuss what it mean, the wallpaper project, that we are going to see first. So first let us see the example given here in one school's example. They are about the dengue. They are made many articles, students together, and it is pasted like in a chart paper. And the news, it is arranged very neatly, and designs they give, boundary designs and everything they give, and like that they made. And which school made this wallpaper about the 2006 dengue epidemic was prepared by children of class 6th B of the Kendriya Vidyalaya second, in Hasiabad, Uttar Pradesh. The students of 6th standard B class, they prepared a what we can say, wallpaper project. So this time 7th standard students of our school, PVM school, we are going to prepare a wallpaper project. And now you can't, means all students together you can't make it. Really it is a group activity, but we can't do like that. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a small project about the epidemic what we are facing now, corona. So you can that we are going to do. So before that we want to understand what it mean. We have seen one of the example, now we are going to see what it mean. A wallpaper is an interesting activity through which research can be done on a particular topic of interest. What we are going to do, we are going to do some research about one of the topic which we are interested. So nowadays every day TV news or social media we are getting the information about corona. So we are going to do that one only. The following photographs explain the different aspects involved in creating a wallpaper in the classroom. So, how we can make a wallpaper? First step, after introducing the topic and having a brief discussion with the whole class, all together the class, all students, they are sitting together and they are discussing about the topic what is given by the teacher. Then afterwards what they will do, they will divide divide into different groups, and the groups discuss the issues and decide what it would be like to include the wallpaper. First brief discussion in the whole class, then afterwards we will divide to different groups. Then the groups, they will discuss about the what all matters should be included in the wallpaper what we are going to make. And children then work individually or in a pairs to read and collect materials and write their observation or experience. So the next step what they are doing, they are each and every child or one or two children together like that in different way, they will collect the maximum information related to the topic, and sometimes they will write their own observations and experience also. They can do this through creating stories, poems, case studies, interviews, etc. So many ways are there to do this one. For example, now we are in like this lockdown period, and we are sitting at home, we can't make like this group discussion and other things. So what we can do instead of that, brainstorming. You take one rough paper in your hand or open your rough notebook and take one pencil and think about the issues related to corona, what all things we are hearing, and in that we can see the health issues of the people. Many people are becoming sick and they are becoming some of them are died already. And government said made one application means this mobile application like that, Arogya app, the Arogya Setu app, and how we should use it, how many people they are using it. By using that one, what all the advantages we are getting. Then next one, the duties of the police, what all things they are doing to control the people or to make the people's life more secure like that. And what are the roles of the media to give information. It may be sometimes it may be becoming the negative information, sometimes this information making the people panic, like even though what are the roles of the media to give information, or how the government or the media is making the awareness among people, how to do things like that, or how we can avoid this sickness, or like or how to prevent the sickness, like that. Different things you can make think in your own and write it down in a rough paper, and afterwards try to find out one by one material related to that. In that you can add some of the poems, stories and other things. Okay, so I will send one example of the one of the 6th standard child written a poem about the one of the fish. Because of the trawling, it was not available fish for last 3 months. So one of the child, she can't she is loving one of the particular type of fish, and she is for that fish. So she's written 8 to 9 lines poem, a small poem, poem, and she's making like that, what we can say, her excitement about that particular fish. And like that we also make some poems or stories or shape poems, like that. Many things what we studied in smaller classes, like that things you can make use for this wallpaper. The next step what we are going to see, that is the group work we are doing. That the group look at the materials that they have selected, drawn or written. They are all the students, they are collecting, going here and there, and they are collecting. And what they will do, they will see that one, and they read each other writing, others writing, and provide feedback to each other. Then second step, we want to, what we made already, collected or written their own experience, like that things. What they will do, they will read in the group, and the others will give some of the feedbacks. They make decision on what should be included and finalize the layout of the wallpaper. Then they are taking and giving the priority, which one is should be there, which one we can avoid, what in what shape we want to present, like that things they are doing. So in next page we can see that is the next step. Each group then present the wallpaper in the entire class. That is important that more than one number of member of the group is asked to present, and that each group is allotted the same amount of time to discuss their work. After the creation, they are presenting that one in the class, and they are getting the time to discuss what they done or what it means. After each group has presented, it would be a good idea to have a feedback session on the following. After that presenting, they will discuss how it was, and is it up to the mark or something we want to reorganize, or how we can organize it better way, how we can improve our presentation, like that. Okay, the next step, the wallpaper, about this is given the model of the wallpaper, already we have seen that one. So like that, the topic is same to you people, and that is the making a minimum 4 different articles related to corona, that different aspects you want to write, and then present it as a wallpaper or like a project, and you can send to me in personal window, not in the group. Thank you. Okay, we will continue in next video.